Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today I have an unboxing, but first I want to show you my new glasses. You've probably seen them over on my other channel, the Tappingflamingo, aka the Bohemian Hippie, maybe. I can't remember if that video's up yet or not. But I got these new glasses, but while I was there, I was talking to them about the problems I have whenever I'm doing close-up work. These are bifocals, but they have no line, and so they're kind of a progress. So you have the far part at the top, medium, and then close-up work at the bottom. Anyway, because of that, I'm constantly taking my glasses off and doing this, and it's just a disaster. And the lady that was helping me pick out my glasses, she actually is a crafter and has the same issue. And so she said, why don't you try some readers, but actually some prescription readers? In other words, how about your prescription, do bifocals, but with the line, because they're much different. And so I'm trying them. Let me show you what they look like. So here they are. They're really, I don't know, they kind of make me dizzy a little bit. Hopefully they're going to work. If not, I have 60 days to go back and I can just turn them into regular glasses. But what do you think? And I also would like to know if you have the same issue and if you've tried the regular lined bifocals. Boy, they have a glare on them. Sorry about that. Anyway, versus the no line bifocals, and how do you like them and if they've worked for you. All right, now for the unboxing. So the end of the year is coming up, and I'd like to have a hard copy day timer or planner. I've had one for the last probably 3 or 4 years. Actually, I've had one probably since college, my college years. So it's been like over 40 years ago. And I absolutely love having a hard copy versus having it on my phone or digital in any way. So I was looking around, and I was going to get the same one I had this past year, but it really went up in price. They were $34, and I don't think I spent $34 on that planner. But this planner, I think I spent $11 on it. So let's see if it's, worth the $11. Maybe I should have paid the $34. I don't know. But I'm going to open it up here. I'm going to put my camera up on my stand and open it up. But I wanted you to see that, it comes in this nice box, and it's all cellophaned up, and it came really quick. I just ordered it the day before yesterday. All right, here we go. And as usual, if you hear any noises in the background, we got kiddos playing. They were outside, but it's really, really cold, and they probably don't need to be out there. Okay. Sunflower planner. Create a better life. Now, this year, last year I had a yellow planner, and I was going to change colors this year. The year before I had kind of a turquoise blue, and I thought, I haven't had a pink one yet. I should get a pink one, but I saw this one. I'm like, no, I don't want the pink one. By the way, here's the company. How do you say that? It's WZFFPAOJ. I don't know how to say that. Let's open it up. Isn't it pretty? I love yellow. Yellow is such a happy color. So excited about this. Sunflower series. Create a better life, achieve goals, increase productivity, time management, and happiness. Right here it says Sunflower Planner, and they had these in different colors. They had the pink one, and it was I think roses. They had a lilac, which they had lilacs on it. They had, I'm trying to think what other colors they had. This one just spoke to me. And let's see. I don't want to mess it up. I need to be careful. I'm using scissors, but I'm being very, very careful. Hang on. All right, I used this X-Acto knife. I was really, really careful though. There was a little piece of plastic kind of popped at the top here, and I just made a hole in it, and then everything came out really nicely. All right, so we have a little rubber band plastic thing on here that keeps it closed. We have a place for our pen, which last year I did not have a place for my pen, so I do like that. This is very similar to the kind of turquoise blue one I've had in the past. I don't think it's the same company. I'll have to go look. It's really soft though. I absolutely love this color. Let's open it up. All right. Oh, isn't that pretty? These are all stars. We have a sunflower there. And I mean, I like sunflowers. I'm more of a daisy person. Sunflowers are kind of close to daisy. Here it says, if you find this, please be kind and contact me. And then we have awareness and self-discovery and some questions, my vision. What does a perfect day look like to me? I think it depends on the day. My dreams. This part is, it's okay. I did it more last year than I have in the past. Let's see, my most important life goals, my vision board. Actually, I never really did a vision board. Instead, I use these for planning, like the virtual Blythe retreat ideas or some other things that I had going on. We have the 1 year goals and all different. So you've got health, career, finance, personal development, spiritual, hobbies, romance, family and friends. Then we have your 3-month goal and my tactics, I guess, how I'm going to go about. Anyway, you have all this stuff here, and like I said, it's okay. What I'm grateful for, strategy, skills and habits. And then we have the monthly calendars, and they're all together, which I don't know. Year before last, I had them all together. Last year, I had it where I had the month and then the week right afterwards. And I really don't know which one I like the best. I don't really use this one this much, the month one. Sometimes it's nice to look just at a glance on how busy my month is and stuff, but you know. One thing I do like about this is more of a perpetual calendar. It's not like for 2025. It's for whatever year you want. And for instance, if maybe I did this for 3 months and then I put it away and forgot about it for a year, I can pick it back up again, which I'm not going to do that because I really do use these a lot. We have things that I will things I will do to make this month great: health and fitness, family, friends, personal development, spiritual, romance and relationships, fun, recreation, hobbies, my monthly goals. And then, so we have all the, probably must be 12 of those. Oh, we have bookmarks. That's nice. My calendar last year didn't have bookmark, and I really would have liked to had one. All right, so now after the 12 months, we have weeks. So we have this Monday through Saturday or Sunday. We have this week's main goal, habit tracker. A lot of times I'll put on here like drink water, take vitamins, stuff like that. I exercise almost every day, and I dance, so I have classes, so I don't really have to put a reminder on there, but I guess I could do that. Now, work to-do list and personal to-do list, and at the end you can have like this week's wins and how am I going to improve next week, and if I achieved my goals. And we have 52 weeks, I'm sure. There's 52 weeks in a year, so I'm sure there's 52 of these. Or they should be, at least. And then we have all these blank in the back here for more notes. Now let's go back to the week. One thing that this doesn't have that my planner from last year had was a financial tracker. I didn't see one on here. Let's see, let's go here. I could probably figure out a way to do a monthly tracker, and I used it for like my orders. Whenever I had an Etsy order or a personal order, somebody maybe not have ordered from Etsy. Like right now I have a couple of orders from a friend of mine. She ordered 4 necklaces. And so to keep track financially of, you know, how much taxes I owe and stuff like that, I will write like bracelet, maybe I'll put like the date, Etsy, awareness bracelet, diabetes, how much it was. And I keep track also of my tithing. I do pay tithing on my earnings, and it's really nice to have something where I can keep track. I don't get a whole lot of orders, but I still probably need more than this. So that's probably going to be the downsize to this particular planner and tracker, but I'll figure it out. Maybe I'll just go back here and use these papers for that. That may have what I did when I had one similar to this. Anyway, I'm excited about my new planner, and I gotta get me a really cool pen to go in here. And you know what? I'd like it if you would let me know down in the comment section below if you use a planner. Is it digital or is it a hard copy like this one? If it's a hard copy like this one, I'd kind of like to know what you use and what you use it for and if you like it or not. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye. So here are the planners I've had the last 3 years. I guess I did have a pink one. I didn't realize that. So I had this one. I got this at, I think it was TJ Maxx. It was $9. It was a great little planner. Then I had this one, which I really liked. And I believe the one I got this year is very similar to this. And then this was what I had last year. It was by Planberry.